people keep on asking this question from us: how is the IS exam preparation with Plutus IS coaching in Mumbai? So, guys, the experience of the students from Mumbai locality with Plutus IS coaching institute is very good. Our education has conducted the survey and has come out that the students from Mumbai locality who have taken IS classes from Plutus IS Coaching Institute are very much satisfied. They even said that this is one of the finest IS coaching institute where they have done coaching. The support provided by the coaching Plutus IS Coaching Institute is remarkably good. Okay, it is been said that the faculties of Plutus IS Coaching Institute provide a live mentoring session, along with that even helped student on individual basis to solve the queries. Okay, one to one queries. That is one of the best thing that individual support Plutus IS Coaching Institute is providing. So it is very good experience to take IS classes from Plutus IS Coaching Institute. You should definitely choose Plutus IS Coaching in Mumbai for UPSC exam preparation. So today I'm going to discuss about how to choose IS coaching in Mumbai. See, there are a lot of UPSC coaching center in Mumbai, okay, and in so many coaching institute, it is very important that you select or pick the right one for you. Are you getting my point? So this video is about choosing a right IS coaching center for yourself. There are few strategies, few tips that you need to keep in mind when you select the right and best coaching center for yourself. Guys, do you know that it depicts that 11 lakh candidate takes up prelims and 5 lakh student appear in the mains examinations? There are hundred of thousands of student planning for civil services examination every year. This is the reason it becomes very crucial to choose the right and best coaching center for yourself. Yes, mains examination preparation in Mumbai. First thing that you need to understand that there is not a very different coaching for IS mains examination preparation. Guys, the coaching which is best for UPSC is also best for IS prelims as well as IS mains as well as for interview too, if it is the finest IS coaching like Plutus IS Coaching Institute. So guys, if you want to prepare for UPSC civil services mains examination preparation, then you should go with a Plutus IS Coaching Institute. Guys, at this point of time, Plutus IS Coaching Institute, which is renowned UPSC coaching in complete India, is offering best IS classes. Okay, why Plutus IS Coaching Institute has come out to be the best IS coaching center in complete Mumbai? Not in complete Mumbai, rather I should say that in complete India. The Plutus IS Coaching Institute has become the rank one UPSC coaching center. The very simple reason for being the best IS coaching institute in complete India for a Plutus IS coaching is its UPSC civil services examination result. Guys, you need to understand when it is a point of UPSC result, result. You should select that coaching institute which offers a very good result. Are you getting my point? Result should be very good. Okay, when we talk about Plutus IS Coaching Institute, it is offering very good result. Plus, the faculty, UPSC faculty of this UPSC Plutus IS Coaching Institute is also very knowledgeable with more than 10 plus years of experience. With more than 10 plus years of experience, that matters a lot. That matters a lot. So guys, this is the reason people are opting for Plutus IS Coaching Institute for their civil services examination preparation, and students are even getting better results. I mean, what I'm talking about is your result. See, you should join that UPSC coaching institute with which you can have best result in the civil services examination. Plutus IS Coaching Institute is that one institute which is giving best result, which is having good rating. Plutus IS Coaching Institute is that UPSC coaching which also help you out in doing best civil services examination preparation plus interview guidance. So I mean, the best part of this UPSC coaching institute, Plutus IAS, is that you will be able to prepare for prelims, you will be able to prepare for mains, and then you will be prepared for interview as well. So it saves in many cases, in many cases what happens, like people join different coaching for CSAT or prelims examination, people join different coaching for mains examination, and then see why different coaching, because they have different optional subject. When we talk about Plutus IS coaching institute, it is having majority of the optional subjects which is being taken by the student, like sociology, political science, like anthropology. Most of the optional subjects are being covered by Plutus IS coaching institute. So one place, one adda, and all the facilities for civil services examination preparation are available at Plutus IS coaching. So I mean, you are getting everything at Plutus IS coaching institute. This is the reason people are liking Plutus IS coaching institute for civil services examination preparation. And secondly, I have told you that the faculty within the Plutus IS coaching institute is very knowledgeable. Okay, as far as Union Public Service examination is considered, we know that it is very challenging examination, and it occurs in three stages: prelims, mains, and interview. So if you really want to crack this examination, you should have clarity in your mind about what to prepare, what to study, and what not to study. And being a younger or newer for UPSC civil services preparation, you won't be able to have that much knowledge. This is the reason there's a need to join a UPSC coaching institute. When we talk about Plutus IS coaching institute, it is actually offering best guidance. It For civil services examination preparation, it is offering best mentorship in help you out in deciding what should be your mains examination subject, and which is the optimal main subject for you as per your graduation. So guys, it is also very important that you should take that kind of subject within the civil services examination, in which you have a lot of knowledge in the previous years. Because see, it is always okay that you can have your newer optional subject, or you can start study from the scratch. But if you have some prior knowledge, it is not harmful, right? It will be rather beneficial to you. You are you are going to learn more on those things on which you are already acquainted with, or you have more information already available with you. Okay, so guys, Plutus IS coaching batches are already going on. You should call to the Plutus IS coaching institute at this number 8448440231 to check with is there any vacancy available or seat available for IS mains examination preparation. Because Plutus IS coaching institute, as I have already told you, that this is rank 1 institute in complete India, so they are with the limited batches. But if you get the admission lucky enough, then definitely there are great chances that you would be able to prepare very well for civil services examination. Guys, the second best coaching for in Mumbai for UPSC mains examination preparation is the Hindu Zone. This is the best coaching institute. The good part of this the Hindu Zone is, like, see, there are many students who cannot afford high fees of the UPSC coaching institute, but this the Hindu Zone IS coaching institute is that one institute which can help you to very much extent in deciding the right coaching in your budget. Okay, so this way the Hindu Zone has become very good platform for civil services examination preparation. Guys, you can call at the Hindu Zone 8595907572. Guys, third best IS coaching center in complete Mumbai for UPSC mains examination preparation is Yojana IS Coaching Institute. Guys, Yojana IS Coaching Institute is that one institute where you can prepare for UPSC civil services examination in Hindi medium. Please mark it. I'm talking about IS mains examination preparation in Hindi medium. So you can contact on this number 6212542147 in Yojana IS Coaching Institute. Guys, fourth best coaching for Indian Administrative Services examination, mains examination preparation is Kautilya IS Coaching Institute. We all know that Kautilya IS Coaching Institute is yet a very famous name when it comes to Indian Administrative Services coaching centers. Guys, you can contact Kautilya IS as well at 8595907572. The good part of Kautilya IS is that they offer best online study material, best IS test series. In fact, the rating for Kautilya IS is 10 out of 10, which is very important if you want to have best preparation material, mock test series, everything at one place. Okay, so guys, today we have talked a lot about what are the best IAS mains coaching centers in Mumbai for civil services examination preparation. Still, if you come across any doubt, do ask us in the comment section. Do not forget that at rank 1 best IAS coaching for UPSC civil services mains examination preparation is Plutus IAS.